Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahura Firdaus. I am from JT Art, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today our topic is Introduction of Kingdom Plenty. इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में हमने देखा था आउटलाइन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम। उसमें क्रिप्टोगैम्स देखा था। क्रिप्टोगैम्स जो है वो दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक है लोअर क्रिप्टोगैम और एक है हायर क्रिप्टोगैम। लोअर क्रिप्टोगैम्स जो है अलगी है, फंजाई एंड लाइकेन है, और हायर क्रिप्टोगैम्स में इंक्लूड है ब्रायोफाइट्स एंड टेरिडोफाइट्स। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फेनेरोगैम्स। फेनेरोज जो है वो दो वर्ड से मिलके बना हुआ है, एक है फेनेरोज और एक है गैमस। फेनेरोज का मतलब होता है विजिबल एंड गैमोस का मतलब है यूनियन। ये फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स होते हैं, इसमें सीड प्रेजेंट रहता है। हर्ब भी हो सकते हैं, श्रब भी हो सकते हैं और ट्रीज भी। नोन एज स्पर्मेटोफाइट बिकॉज द सीड इज प्रेजेंट। इसमें सीड प्रेजेंट रहता है, इसीलिए इसको स्पर्मेटोफाइट बोलते हैं। सीड नेकेड भी हो सकता है और इनक्लोज्ड भी हो सकता है फूड के अंदर। इसमें जो वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज रहते हैं वो वेल डेवलप्ड रहते हैं। प्लांट्स आर हेट्रोस्पोरस। इसको फर्दर डिवाइड किया गया है जिम्नोस्पर्म एंड एंजियोस्पर्म में। Gymnosperms are the plants with naked seeds. They include simpler members of phanerogamy and are also described as phanerogams without ovary. The term gymnosperm was first used by Theophrastus in 300 BC. In his book Inquiry into Plants, there are about 70 genera and 725 living species of gymnosperms. In India, it is represented by 16 genera and 53 species. Most of the gymnosperms are evergreen, perennial, woody trees or shrubs. They are vascular plants having xylem with tracheids and phloem with sieve cells. They are non-flowering plants producing naked seeds. Fruits are not produced. The gymnosperms show heteromorphic alternation of generation. The sporophyte is diploid, dominant, autotropic, independent, while the gametophyte is haploid, recessive and dependent. It is much reduced and exists within sporophyte. The plant body, either sporophyte, is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The root system is well developed taproot system. Corallide root of cycas show association with blue-green algae, and roots of pinus show association with endophytic fungi called mycorrhiza. The gymnospermic stem is mostly erect, aerial, solid or cylindrical. In cycas, it is usually branched, while in conifers it is branched. The leaves are dimorphic. The foliage leaves are green, simple, needle-like or pinnately compound, whereas scale leaves are small, membranous and brown. Secondary growth is seen in gymnosperm due to presence of cambium. Gymnosperms are heterosporous. They produce microspores, pollen grain in microsporangia and megaspores in megasporangia. The sporangia are borne on leafy structures called sporophylls, which are often aggregated to form cones or strobili, singular strobilus. The pollination in gymnosperm is anemophilous, wind pollination, and direct as the pollen grains are received directly in the pollen chamber of the ovule. Fertilization is achieved through a pollen tube. This process is called siphonogamy. Vegetative reproduction takes place with the help of bulbils. Some gymnosperms like Ginkgo biloba are called living fossils. It is because the plant is found in living as well as fossil form, and the number of fossil form is much more than the living forms. Gymnosperms vary in their size. Sempervenus is the tallest living plant in the world. It is commonly called coast redwood of California. The height of the plant is 366 feet. Toxidium has a girth of about 125 feet. उसके बाद है एंजियोस्पर्म। एंजियोस का मतलब होता है इनक्लोज्ड, स्पर्मा का मतलब होता है सीड। द एंजियोस्पर्म इज द मोस्ट एडवांस्ड डिवीजन ऑफ द फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स. द एंजियोस्पर्म आर फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स इन विच सीड्स आर इनक्लोज्ड विद इन द फ्रूट. The angiosperm is a group of highly evolved plants primarily adapted to terrestrial habitat. They vary in size. Wolffia is the smallest angiosperm, 1 mm in size, and eucalyptus grows over 100 meters. The plant body is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. It has flowers, fruits, and seeds. Vascular tissues are well developed. Xylem show vessels or trachea, while phloem has sieve tubes and companion cells. Angiosperms show heteromorphic alternation of generation, in which the sporophyte is diploid, dominant, autotropic, and independent, while the gametophytes are recessive, haploid, and dependent on the sporophyte. Angiosperms are heterosporous. Microspores, commonly called pollens, are formed in microsporangia. They developed in highly specialized microsporophylls or stamens, while megaspores are formed in megasporangia, borne on highly specialized megasporophylls called carpels. Besides, angiosperms are further subdivided into two classes. First is monocotyledons. These plants have single cotyledon in their embryo. They have adventitious root system and the stem is rarely branched. The leaves generally have sheathing leaf base and parallel venation, while the flowers are generally trimerous. जो फ्लावर रहेंगे वो ट्राइमेरस रहेंगे और सीड जो रहेगा उसमें सिर्फ एक ही कॉटलीडॉन प्रेजेंट रहेगा। रूट सिंपल फाइब्रस रहेगी और एडवेंटिशियस रहेगी। स्टेम जो है वो ब्रांच्ड भी हो सकता है और अनब्रांच्ड भी हो सकता है। द वैस्कुलर बंडल्स ऑफ स्टेम आर कंजॉइंट, कोलैटरल एंड क्लोज्ड। इन मोनोकॉट्स सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ इज एब्सेंट ड्यू टू एब्सेंस ऑफ कैम्बियम। मोनोकॉट्स के एग्जाम्पल है वीट, मेज, राइस, जवार, बाजरा। सेकंड क्लास इज डाइकोटिलेडोन्स। इसमें जो रूट्स रहेगी वो हार्ड रहेगी, टैप रूट सिस्टम रहेगा। दीज प्लांट्स हैव टू cotyledons in their embryos. They have a tap root system and the stem is generally profusely branched. The leaves show reticulate venation while the flowers show tetra or pentamerous symmetry. The vascular bundles of stem are conjoined, collateral and open. In dicots, secondary growth is commonly found. एग्जाम्पल है पी, बीन, मैंगो, कैसिया, सनफ्लावर। थैंक यू।